Okay, I'm over here. Is this better lighting? Hey everyone, my name's Debbie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be giving you a tour of the Airbnb we're staying at in Santa Fe. This is the first time we've ever been to Santa Fe, and we really love the location and the style of this Airbnb and how cozy and comfortable it is for all of our needs. And before the tour, just a few fun facts. Santa Fe, or Holy Faith, directly translated, or Saint Faith, is actually the oldest capital in the United States. And though it was, lived in since 1607, it was actually officially settled in 1610 by Don Pedro de Peralta. Okay, enough fun facts. The first thing you see when you walk in is this spacious, bright living room. It has a big window where sunshine streams in during the day and ample couch space that we use as work area and to relax. It's adorned with a southwestern style rug and a bench that acts as our footrest. The lofted ceilings in the living room gives the space a feeling of openness and flow. And that openness continues in the first floor towards the kitchen, which I love because then I can be cooking and watching TV at the same time. My favorite part of the living room is by far the fireplace. We use it multiple times a week because it gives the space such a cozy ambiance on a chilly day. And it really does warm up the house. There is also something so captivating about watching fire. This kitchen has great lighting and is stocked up with almost everything you could need for cooking. There's lots of storage space with these closed and open cabinets that hold the plates and also act as our pantry. It has an apartment-sized stove and fridge, which is pretty comfortable for our needs. And this black foldable table is really great because we can open it or close it depending on the space that we need. This is the microwave/laundry area, and coming from New York City, it's a really big deal for me to have a washer and a dryer in my unit. And this closet is also where we keep our reusable shopping bags and hiking backpacks on this hook. Now let's hop back to the other side of the living room before we go upstairs. This small hallway has the bathroom on the right and the bedroom on the left. The ample storage space in the bathroom lets us keep our counter really minimal and clean. There's a full tub and a lot of space to hang towels to dry, which you don't know you want until you don't have it. One of the details I love about this house is that almost all of the doors are barn doors, and even though we don't use it much, it's an awesome design feature. Walking across the hall is the first bedroom. It has great light and some native-inspired tapestries on the wall. There's a small TV that we rarely use, and a closet where we keep most of our clothes. There's only hanging space here, so we had to get a little creative for our folded stuff. And that is the whole first floor of the house. Let's go back through to the kitchen and head upstairs. The first thing you see when going up the stairs is this gorgeous woven tapestry. This weaving method is believed to have started in Oaxaca, Mexico. We were just in Oaxaca and learned how these tapestries are made, and actually came really close to buying one until we remembered that we don't have a house, so it was a nice surprise to have a few as decorations here. Once you're upstairs, you have the second bedroom. We use this room mostly for storing our empty luggage and some of our folded clothes. See if you can spot where they are. And of course, as an office, because it has this awesome desk and barn window that look out onto the living room. Makes you want to do some work. Continuing down the hall, there are a few design touches that I really enjoy. I love the white space between the frame and the actual picture here, and this perfectly placed wooden ladder. This would actually be a great place to hang some blankets for using outside on chilly days. And speaking of outside, we have reached the final stop on our tour, the terrace. Having some outdoor space is such a luxury and something that we look for in most of our stays. It's great to be able to work out here or call a friend while enjoying a view of the mountains and the sunny days of Santa Fe. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. I hope you got some value out of it or entertainment. And if you're interested in more videos around travel and lifestyle and being a digital nomad right now, make sure to tune back into my channel and check out some of the other videos that I'll be making. Thanks so much and have a great day. Sweating in the sun. Take 72.